Hey guys, so we're looking at BTOB's 7-year members with Melody. I guess this is almost like a album, I believe. Yeah. It just seems so small. I'm like, I don't know. Alright, but here, let me open it up. If I can get a corner to tear. Probably not. So when in doubt, just stick it in between. Okay. I'm not as big of a fan, to be honest, of BTOB as I used to be. Because I know BTOB and VIX were like my favorite groups until I found Monsta X and BTS and a bunch of other groups. But they seem to have gone more ballad style, and I'm just the occasional ballad liker, so it's not as... I don't love it as much anymore. So let's see. We got... Is there gonna be like... How's this open? Is this a photo book? Nope. It's just a lyrics page. Okay. That's the purple one. And then we got a white one. Ooh, I do love that design. Is this the same? Is each... Please don't tell me there's going to be a billion discs. Lyrics again. Okay. Purple Rain. Right, this doesn't flip again. Nope. Okay. Swimming. It says volume 4. Is there a photo book at all? This one doesn't flip open at all. Okay. Okay. That was a lot faster than I was expecting it to be, but that is pretty much it. You basically get CDs and a lyric page. So totally hate to say this, but kind of a waste of money. So I strongly suggest that you just buy it on iTunes or stream it or whatever, since all you're getting is the songs. And that's it. No photo books. You have 7 separate discs I'm going to have to load to get these songs on my computer. And I think this might be one of the few albums I am disappointed in purchasing. I know there's one from like a couple other ones that really weren't much either. And I'm like, okay, but that's what it is. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments down below. I was really hoping there'd at least be a photo book or something. I mean, they had 7 different things. Even if it was just like a couple images, that would have been better than 7 discs. But okay. Like, subscribe, and share if you want. And until the next video. Bye, guys.